That's now all set then, buddy. If you're comfy where you're sat and you're happy with everything, fire the car up for me. Clutch in. It's parked in gear, so it's in third at the moment, I believe, so just pop it in neutral, fire it up, and then first gear whenever you like. Then we'll look at heading out there for our 10 laps, mate, okay?
Okay.
Think we're all clear? No handbrake, it's a weird biting point on this car.
Yeah, quite high.
Okay. I believe we're all clear. Yeah, you can keep yourself rolling, mate. Pop it up into third when you can. So we're going to stay in third for the duration of the track. Only fourth on the long straight, and then back down to third once we've scrubbed the full speed and in the hairpin, alright? Yeah. So start feeding in the power nice and smooth, tighten up, and then brake towards the cone. Off the brakes at the cone and then turn into the right hand side. Get nice and close, then wash out wide towards the left. You don't want to add gas, you don't want to remove gas, you don't want to brake. You've got a really good racing line. On this right hand side one here, straight on the left, and then start turning in for one long left. Early on the left hand side, red and white. Straighten up now and begin braking. Brake, out wide off brake, turn in. Run yourself wider next time. It's like a big curveball then, alright? Yeah. Start feeding in the power now, feed it all the way and forward. And then brake. So don't be too keen on changing down, alright?
That's fine.
You want to change down to third about now, otherwise you can shift lock a car, okay?
Yeah.
Spiking RPM can shock a diff, it can lock the wheels, and it can also put you in the field very easily.
Yeah.
Especially if it's rear wheel drive. I know we're not in a rear wheel drive, but still, it's not something you want to do really. Lovely, keep up with this course, nice and wide out, feeding in the power. Big curveball into here as well, okay? Now start braking. Who did you have in the Tesla? Your racing one's pretty much bang on.
It's Robin.
Robin, yeah. He's a part-timer here. He never really does that much time here, yeah. He's never really here, man. He hasn't worked for like the last 4 or 5 months, so I'm pretty impressed. Turning in for one long left. Nice and early on these left red and whites. Straighten up and brake. Run it out wide. Off brakes, turn in. Run out wide, wider. Good man, cut the right. You can stay on power constant for longer. And fourth. Stay on it, stay, and brake. Well done. Down into third about now. Out wide, turn into the right. Nice and smooth. You've done track days and stuff before, you say?
I've done a few of them. Okay, so I've told before.
Yeah. No, you're quick, you're good. Feeding the power, more, and brake. So, as long as you're smooth around the bend, as soon as you start straightening out towards that cone, you can be pretty much flat out.
Okay.
Don't add, don't remove, don't brake, keep your foot in. I know it's nerve wracking. Push that a little bit wide there, brake now. Off brake, turn in, nice and wide, wider. Then cut that right, flat. I feel like I'm sat next to one of my colleagues. Really well done. Don't let it get too much to your head. Tuck it in tight, feed it in, we'll run it out wide. Feed it, brake. Off, over. Take a tight line through here, tighter, that's it. It's a little bit too tight towards the end, brake, run it wide. Cut the right. Uneven, isn't it?
Fancy.
That dip always catches people out as well. Right. Just your left wheel's nice and early on these red and whites. It's not bad. Start braking. Off brakes, smoothly in. You want to get tight to that right hand side cone as well, alright? Yeah. Get on it. Perfect. Feed it, build it more. Feed it, and brake. Off and over. Try not to build power here. Very easily done, and it makes you have to lift off. Tuck it in tight here. Especially with a turbo car.
Yeah.
Right. Perfect. On this next right one. Brake turning. One out wide. Redundant. I've not felt redundant like ever really. Feed it. Unnerving. I know it's in the safety area, but that's really unnerving.
Onto the track.
Well, let's do another cheeky lap.
Yeah.
Off, over. Keep it steady, don't hit boost. Maintain it. Your race time for it is exactly the same as mine. Identical. I think it's quick. Hello.
Is it coming?
Big river gravel. Stay on it. Go. Getting later on the braking and everything, and really starting to get to know it. Well done, man. Nice and slide to the pits for me.
Okay.
Thank you very much.